Ngayong gabi ay di palalapasin ay yung hindi na natisipan na ikakalugin. Pamamagitan ng halina upang gustuhin. Ngayon, sa mga titing natutunan, ikaw bumubuo na. Oh yeah, baby. Touch you, say you love me still. Will you give me my own power, yes. Won't you give it to me, baby? Let me know when you're ready. Hindi na kahanap ng iba. Ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda kapag sa mga sama. Yeah. Kanta ako! I see me and you on my bed in my room, holding hands while we move. Cause I'm way too easy. Cause baby I don't mind. I can stand the time just to make you mine, make you feel. Cause I was sitting on my sofa with you, running up all these roses, but I love getting closer with you, baby. Call me up when you're in my life. Oh, and I'm on you, now I stop. You can move slow, so we go all night, alright. Hey, alam niyo meron lang ako isang problema ngayong araw. Kasi usually, itong second verse na to, meron ako kasamang kumanta dito. So, by any chance, sino ang kaya kumanta ng second verse? Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Sino pinaka-confident? Ikaw? Ikaw? Pero alam mo, marami ako nakikita eh. Ang dami nakataas. Ready sila eh, na mag-duet. Ikaw, halika dito. The black, the girl with the black shirt, there you go. So, what's your name?
Sherlina.
Sherlina. Nahiba ko yung ano mo.
Ako yung sa Acer.
Saan?
Sa Acer.
Oh, sa Acer. Hindi na tuloy. So ngayon, ready ka ba? Ready ka na kumanta ng second verse?
Yes.
Matagal mo na pinaghandaan to?
Yes.
Okay, bibigyan ako ng tatlo. Okay, at the count of 3. Kakantayin mo. Kabisado mo yung lyric?
Yes.
Okay, dapat sumabay kayo ha? Okay? Okay, ready?
I can't live without your touch. Nothing more than I want so much, so much. If you come over here, we can talk about our feelings. Shed a few tears with my baby. Yes, I see me and you on my bed in my room, burning hands by the night. 'Cause I'm way too into you to tell me how tonight
I can stand the time just to make you mine, make you feel. 'Cause I wish I was sitting all on my sofa with you, running out flowers over with you, running like getting crazy. Baby! Call me up when she's in my life. Oh, in the morning you know what's like. You can move so we go all night, alright. Hey, thank you so much, Alina. Thank you. May gusto ka ba sabihin bago ka bumaba?
Thank you.
Baka meron kang mga friends dito, may kakakilala ka dito?
Ha?
May mga kakakilala ka dito?
Marami.
Gusto mo ba silang batiin?
Shout